Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to see who shared your reels on Instagram and is it possible. So first thing to do is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your application or Instagram application. Now launch your Instagram application and what you're going to do is to simply click your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you tap your profile here, now what you're going to do next is to look for the specific reels that you have posted here. Now, in order for you to see how many shares or how many reactions you've got on this reels, you have to make sure that you have switched to professional dashboard. If you switch to professional dashboard or if you're using professional dashboard, then you will see these features and options. So all you have to do is to go to Reel Insights and you will see this overview, rich, watch, and reel interactions. Okay, so here's the thing. Now, if you go to reel interactions, you will see this likes, comments, saves, shares. And in this area section, you will see how many shares you've got in this reel. Obviously, you will see how many shares, but you cannot see who are those people who shared on your reels. So to avoid any confusion, you can see the number of people who will share your reels, not exactly the people or the name of the account who shared your reels. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.